This Friday night, I'm going to show you my PR. I've gotten a couple packages from some companies. I am super excited and I wanted to share it with you guys. I got 2 packages from L'Occitane. I'm a big fan of their hand cream. So when they sent me this package, I was like, yeah, I'm going to show you guys. Yellow, one of my favorite shades. One of my favorite shades of yellow. So, oh, look at this. There's a little note in there and it says to Samantha and it's handwritten. Okay. They have sent me a shower oil. Oh my gosh, it has almond oil. I absolutely love the smell of almond. I've never used shower oil before. All right, let's open it up. Oh, it smells so good. Lather and massage in the shower and rinse. That's awesome. I can't wait to use that. Immortal Divine Youth Cream for wrinkles, firmness, and density. All right. Gorgeous. This is gorgeous. All right, let's try this out. Oh, it smells so good. It's like lemony. Immortal Reset. This is Reset. Oh, it's in French too. Okay. This is a serum. Okay, let's check this out. Well, can you got, dude, beautiful. All right, let's check this out. So it feels so good. That feels amazing. All right, when I do my skincare tonight, I'm going to use both of these products. Hand cream. I have never bought one this big before. I've never bought one this big before. The ones that I get are always so tiny. It looks like oil paints. I love these. I love these. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good. I love their hand cream. Next package they sent me looks like this. More than meets the skin. Self-care that takes beauty beyond the surface. I love that. 5-minute journal. More youth cream. Stop it. They sent me a second one. Milk concentrate with almond oil. Oh my God. Look at how beautiful that is. Woo. It looks like milk. All right. I put so much moisturizer. I'm going to go right on my arm with this. Oh my God, it smells so good. All right. Well, my tattoo needed a little moisturizing anyway. I don't even know what to do with all these moisturizers. I'm about to be moisturized to the gods. Foot cream? They sent me over a foot cream. Oh, dry skin foot cream. I love a good foot cream. Now I have a new hand cream and a foot cream. All right, well, thank you so much, L'Occitane, for the gifts. I really appreciate it. These products look amazing, and I can't wait to use them all.